In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to remove a reposted thread using the Threads app. If you've found yourself in a situation where you've reposted a thread on the new Threads app and now want to take it down, don't worry. We've got you covered. Follow these straightforward steps to easily remove a reposted thread. First things first, launch the Threads app on your device. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to any random thread. This will be the starting point for the process. In the thread you've chosen, keep an eye out for a set of circular arrows positioned at the bottom of the screen. These arrows signify that the thread has been reposted. Go ahead and tap these circular arrows. This will initiate the reposting action. Now, let's say you've reposted a thread and later changed your mind. You want to remove it. To begin, tap on your profile icon, which can be found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile settings. Within your profile, you'll notice a list of threads you've reposted. These threads will be labeled with 2 arrows and the text reposted. Scan through the list and pick the thread you wish to remove from your profile. Once you've selected the reposted thread you want to remove, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There, you'll spot the familiar circular arrow button once again, but this time it will be accompanied by a checkmark symbol. Tap on the circular arrow button with the checkmark and a menu will pop up. From the menu, choose the Remove option. This action will signal the app to remove the reposted thread from both your profile and the main thread of your followers. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the reposted thread. It will no longer be visible on your profile, and your followers won't see it in their main thread either. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Don't hesitate to leave your queries in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.